Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video with the SEABOURNE'S kitchen. As you can see in the title, that's what we'll be doing today, so please stay tuned. um I just want to thank you all for the support that you have shown me, and I just want to thank you for everything you want to do for me, because I'm on my way to 2K and I'm almost there. So I just want to thank you, everybody, every single body. My for reach at 2K. I just thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
So today I'll be doing brown stew pork, with butter bean and stuff with pumpkin rice. This one is kind of special because it's for the SEABOURNE'S kitchen. So that's it. Go see, we have the ingredients over here. We have every little thing over here. So we're gonna see how it turn out. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we have on the garlic, ginger, pimento already. So I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning on it. Forget to get that all-purpose in all over it. Yeah. And add some meat season, some pork and meat season right in it. Then add the scallion, onion, and bell peppers to it. Add that in. Yeah. That one, stay. And the last thing I add is the browning. Add like a browning. I want it too dark, so I want it too dark, You see it? Well seasoned. I'm going to marinate. Keep going marinate, So you make the pork one catch a little color. Let it catch a color first. So you can have a nice brown color there. So we add the rice now to it. Add the rice to it. Make everything come out. Add the rice to that. Mix that in right to it. Mix it up. So do a little bonus of Irish. Some potato salad, the sweet peas in it. If I add the grace butter bean now. Grace butter bean, Already add the sauce in it. Nice little texture. I want the pork have a nice texture.
There's not much to do when all I can is think.
So you guys can follow me on IG at Roro_iLife, and remember to tune in to the SEABOURNE'S kitchen on YouTube. Also like, share, comment, give us a feedback on it, and let us know what y'all think. Okay?
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.